CanSino, Moderna, Novavax, a list of COVID vaccines under clinical trials across the world. Part 1. At least 129 COVID-19 vaccines are in the preclinical stage, while 18 are currently being tested on human volunteers. With the coronavirus pandemic continuing to claim thousands of lives across the globe every day, the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has decided to fast-track clinical trials of the indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, which it is producing with the Bharat Biotech International Limited (BBIL). Not only ICMR, but the scientific community and medical researchers across the world are working on war footing to come up with a vaccine for the deadly virus as early as possible. We brings you a list of all the vaccine candidates currently undergoing clinical trials around the world. Oxford vaccine developed by the University of Oxford in collaboration with pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca, the ChAd-OX1S vaccine, is currently undergoing phase 3 clinical trials in human volunteers. The vaccine contains a virus called ChAd-OX1, a weakened and non-replicating version of a common cold virus, ADENOVIRUS, which has been engineered to express the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. The spike protein of the novel coronavirus allows it to enter human cells. The presence of this protein also triggers immune response in a body. The Oxford vaccine has already been evaluated in a large clinical trial in the UK, where more than 4,000 participants have been enrolled. In addition to a South African study of the vaccine, similar and related studies are about to start in Brazil as well. An even larger study of the same vaccine, consisting of up to 30,000 participants, is being planned in the US too. Ad5-nCoV by CanSino having completed Phase 2 clinical trials, the Ad5-nCoV was recently approved for use in the Chinese military. Developed jointly by Chinese vaccine company CanSino Biologics, and the Beijing Institute of Biotechnology in the Academy of Military Medical Sciences, the vaccine has reportedly shown promising results in the Phase 2 clinical trials, though they are yet to be published. Like the Oxford vaccine, this uses a weakened adenovirus. The vaccine has also been approved for clinical trials in Canada. mRNA 1273 by Moderna. The mRNA 1273 vaccine candidate, developed by US-based biotechnology company Moderna, has started Phase 2 clinical trials. The mRNA is a molecule that genetically encodes a set of instructions, based on which cells make proteins and send them to various parts of the body. Medicines based on mRNA technology take advantage of normal biological processes of the body to create desired therapeutic effects. Instead of introducing protein drugs to the body, mRNA drugs trigger cells to produce the required proteins to fight off an infection. This method prevents the immune system response from kicking in and hampering the effect of a drug. INO-4800 by Inovio. After showing interim positive results from the Phase 1 trials, the vaccine candidate INO-4800 is now undergoing Phase 2 clinical trial in South Korea. Developed by US-based Inovio Pharmaceuticals, in collaboration with International Vaccine Institute, the DNA vaccine injects a part of the genetic code of the virus, which allows cells to produce antigens, a molecule present on the outer surface of the virus. In this case, the DNA vaccine helps produce the spike protein, and triggers cells to produce antibodies against the protein. Vaccine by Wuhan Institute of Biological Products, developed by the Wuhan Institute of Biological Products and Chinese pharmaceutical company Sinopharm, the inactivated novel coronavirus 2019 CoV vaccine is undergoing Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials simultaneously in China. This vaccine contains an inactivated form of the coronavirus to trigger immune reaction. The inactivated viruses are grown in lab culture, usually in Varro cells, kidney cells, extracted from an African green monkey. These viruses lose the capacity to cause infection. Inactivated COVID-19 vaccine by Sinopharm. A similar inactivated novel coronavirus vaccine, also developed by Sinopharm in conjunction with the Beijing Institute of Biological Products, is simultaneously undergoing Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials in China. CoronaVac, the vaccine candidate known as CoronaVac, has already completed Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials and is preparing to proceed to Phase 3 trials in China. This is also an inactivated coronavirus vaccine. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.